At some point, which I assume would be 1950 or around then, somebody in the government of Israel, I don't know who, came to Dad and said, I understand that there are two relatively small airplane manufacturers who are merging, and that our understanding is if they merge, they're going to move all the operations to one of the locations, and there will be a rather substantial amount of jigs and forms and fixtures available that's going to go on the market for sale.
These are parts of airplanes?
Not part of the jigs and the fixtures to make the parts of the airplanes. A manufacturing operation. And they said, we want you to go in. We're going to pay for it. We want you to go in and to bid on these jigs and fixtures. Now, I know one of those companies was North American Aviation, and I don't remember the name of the other one. They merged. So Dad went to the so-called auction, or however they did it, and he bought the jigs and the fixtures and shipped them to Israel, and that was the basis of Israel's airplane manufacturing operation.